today I changed my YouTube channel name to Brendan Graham Fidget Man, and in my pictures I add all my fidgets. And so today we're gonna be reviewing all my fidgets, okay? Yeah, it's pretty fun, pretty cool. Yeah, cool fidgets, really cool, okay? I'll show you. Let me just, okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you my fidgets. Wait, let me just get them real quick. Yep. The ones that are in the photo I'm not showing today. So yeah. Actually no, the one in the photo I'm only showing today. Okay. So first of all, we got a little needle. They're really squishy and stuff. Really cool, really cool. Now, second, we got a like spiky, squishy, spiky ball here. It's really cool. Then we got a squishy, regular green ball here. Just squishy. Then here we got, watch my swanky. So my swanky is right here. That is my swanky. Then is gonna be my putty, which we got my putty right here. Yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. And then is gonna be my neon slime. That is mixed colors though. Look at that, it's slime. And then we got Play-Doh. And then some more slime.